Hi everyone, good afternoon. Coven welcomes you all to this webinar. What is new on Oracle HCM Cloud 21B release? I am K. Pawan Kumar, associated with Coven as Senior HCM Cloud Consultant and had experience with different modules and got my graduation degree from Weldec University in Chennai. Coven is a business transformation and technology solutions partner, and we are headquartered in UK and spread across USA and India. So this is our agenda for today's webinar. And the complete presentation is prepared by using Oracle Readiness documents. So you can just use the link below to have more information on this. So these are all some of the critical functionalities of 21B release. So let us just discuss on the functionalities one by one. First, we'll have a look into this Redwood Looks of sign-in page. So going forward, this is how the sign-in page will be getting displayed for the users. And next, we have this new functionality, which is benefits plan comparison tool. So this is a comparison tool with respect to the benefits module, which gives employee a more transparency on these benefit plans. Like they can just see what are all the availability of features and the highlights so that they can just easily enroll for a desired benefit plan. Here is another feature, automatic creation of sandboxes. Now user can able to see HCM Experience Design Studio under My Client Groups tab from Quick Actions. So as soon as the user selects it, sandbox will get created automatically where the user can perform any number of configurations and can publish directly from here. So this is another feature with respect to documents of records, where the user can able to preview the document within the application directly instead of just downloading that to their local machines. And this is one more feature with respect to approvals, where the user can have access to all the details of some of the approval process, such as changing some personal information and changing person external identifiers. So they can able to see the proposed values as soon as the transaction gets approved. So let us just have a quick demo on some of these features. So this is how the sign-in page will be displayed going forward. So let me just log in as an employee so we can see how the preview button is getting displayed. So let's just get into documents of records. So we can see how the preview button is getting displayed for this employee. So let's just open this birth certificate. So here is the preview option. So as soon as the user clicks on it, it will automatically pop up a window showcasing the document. So let's just go back to the slides. So this is another feature with respect to assignment level security. In the first picture, you can see the personal level security where the user can have access to all the assignments and the personal information. But this assignment level security restricts the user access to a personal assignment. So this is just an example to understand it easily. And this is another functionality with respect to improvements to LinkedIn profile import. So this is sample data in the first picture you can see where the user can choose what data that they want to import from LinkedIn to HCM application. And this is some sample data after getting uploaded. And if we discuss about the mandatory prerequisites for this 21B release, all the talent management pages has to be updated to responsive because going forward, classic version will be removed. When it comes to Oracle Recruiting Cloud, there is a new search engine which is called Oracle Search. Going forward, that will be the default search engine. So for further information and for the new customers, you can just refer Oracle Readiness documents to have more understanding on this. Now, let's discuss on some of the decommission features. So going forward, HCM Data Loader will be the default tool, making Payroll Batch Loader fully decommissioned. And also Classic Sandboxes will also be decommissioned, where the Unified Sandboxes will be the default. And one more decommission feature is administrative tasks removed for talent management. So this is the error message where the user can see, and this is one of the classic page going forward which won't be getting supported. And let's discuss on some of the known issues, which is incorrect warning message appears during duplicate bank account entry. And one more known issue is document records REST API validation of attachment type. And next one is salary update issue for assignment change with grade ladder. So these are all some of the pictures related to that. Let's discuss on some of the control features. One control feature is administrative faceted person search, where the user can experience this new faceted search. And the user can find similar candidates based on specific candidate profile using artificial intelligence algorithms. Also, AI-based time-to-hire estimates, where the recruiters can get estimates about time taken for the first hire of a job requisition. And the final control feature is auto provision area of responsibilities. So we have reached the end of this session. So feel free to ask any questions. You can just reach us out so we can help you on those. And thank you so much all for joining this webinar.